Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. I'm Vanessa with Scrapping It Up, and today I want to do a folio share. I've been teaching you guys the quick and easy folio series. I'm teaching 6 of them, and they're just quick and easy folios that you can make. I know it is that time of year for craft fairs, for Christmas, and I was thinking, what better time to do this with you guys. So this is folio style number 3. You can pick up the tutorial on my website. I will put the link down below. It's right now while we're working on it, we're on style number 5 right now. I do have it discounted, and when we're all done, it's going to go back up to regular price of $19.99. It's either $8 or $12 right now. Okay. And I'm sorry if you're catching this, after we're all done and it's back to normal price. I apologize. But I do discount some of the tutorials while we're working on projects, okay? So that's why you always hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on some of the discounts I give or the tutorials that I give on here or the album chairs, hopefully to inspire you to create a folio or an album, okay? I will link the other classes down here. I've been doing decorating classes and teaching you how to make these from start to finish. I do give out the measurements, but if you would like the cutting guide and the written instructions and the process videos all in a project folder all by themselves, there's no searching. You'd have, and it's yours forever to keep. You're more than welcome to purchase it, okay? Like I said, this is style number 3. I did decorate it with Bajo Sunshine Collection from Simple Stories. And this one measures, I believe, 8.5 by 10. Yes, 8.5 by 10. It does feature my Kraft-Tex binding. I love Kraft-Tex. Love it for folios. It is just awesome. I'd rather, you can wash it. It won't tear. It won't rip. The only thing with Kraft-Tex, you have to use glue. You cannot use Scorpal tape or your ATG. You have to use wet glue. Okay, that's the only downfall to it, but hey, I'll take that. I will put the link down below to my Amazon shop where you can purchase the Kraft-Tex. I do earn a commission. It does help support my channel. If you buy my tutorial, it helps support my channel so I can do stuff like this with you guys. Okay, so there's the back, and there's the front. And I did use some twine, and I just kind of decorated it up. We did have I had some plain cardstock from Simple Stories that I kind of used throughout this as well. Okay, so it opens up, and you have this. You have a pocket here, a pocket, pocket, pocket. Now here is some tags. All I done was cut the strip of tags out and just folded them into an accordion. You can put pictures on there. You can journal. And I did put some of the stickers from the collection on there. But I thought that was a nice way of using them up. Okay. And then we have a pocket here. And for some odd reason, I did not put a photo mat behind here. I don't know why. Because I forgot. So that flips. And then you have a pocket here. And you have a photo mat here. And I didn't decorate that one. This one here just has a photo mat. The other pocket has a booklet. Okay, I wanted to do it both ways to show you. You could do a photo mat or a booklet. Okay, then this flips and you have a waterfall. And I did not decorate the backs. I left those so you could put a picture, you could journal, however you want to do it. Okay, beautiful. I love the waterfall look. And I used the red and the black alternating. Then that just closes up and we have the other side. And this side mirrors this side. So then we have a pocket here. Okay. And then here's the little booklet that I made. And I use the tag as the closure. So this opens, that opens. And then on the back side, I just put a piece of cardstock and you have a little pocket up there. Ain't that cute? Very cute. So then this just wraps around and it ties. And it keeps it all nice and tidy. And it just slides into that pocket. Then that shuts up. This one opens up for the other waterfall. I probably should have decorated those. Them are awful big spaces not to have decorated. You know, you could put a strip of paper here with some embellishments. Photo mat, photo mat. I should have done that. But I didn't. I should have. Oh, very cute folio. And like I said, you can purchase the tutorial. Okay. And I will put the links to all the videos that we have done so far. I think we're on style number 5. We got one more to do, style number 6, and then this series will be all done. So go check it out, guys, and see what you think. I've got all different sizes and everything. So yeah. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the folio share, and we'll be talking to you guys in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.